In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appeal a Facebook ads restriction. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your Facebook ads account got restricted? It's a frustrating experience, I know. You're ready to launch your campaign, you have everything set up, and suddenly you're stopped in your tracks because Facebook has flagged or restricted your account. But don't worry, there's a process to appeal this decision, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First, go to Facebook Ads Manager and you need to locate the Help icon, which you can generally find at the bottom of the Ads Manager page. The Help section is a treasure trove of resources and guides, and it's also where you can begin the process of appealing a decision related to ad restrictions. Once you've found the Help icon, give it a click. In the search bar that appears, type in Submitting Appeals. This search will guide you to articles and guides specifically about appealing restrictions or decisions made by Facebook regarding your ads. From the search results, click on the article that seems most relevant to submitting appeals. This article will provide you with detailed instructions and additional context on what types of decisions can be appealed and what information you will need. Within the article, look for a link that says Submit an Appeal Here. This is your gateway to potentially getting your ad account back in action. Once you click this link, you'll be directed to a form specifically designed for appealing Facebook's decision. Filling out this appeal form requires careful attention. You'll need to provide detailed information about your ad account and the decision you are appealing. Be as clear and concise as possible. Describe the situation, why you believe the decision was made in error, and any additional information that could help your case. This could include details about your ad campaigns, your business, and how you comply with Facebook's policies. Visual aids or screenshots can also be incredibly helpful if the form allows attachments. Once you have filled out the appeal form with all the required details, submit it. After submission, the waiting game begins. It can take some time for Facebook to review your appeal, so be patient. They deal with a high volume of inquiries, but they do review every appeal submitted. While you wait for a response, it's a good idea to review Facebook's advertising policies again. Sometimes restrictions occur due to a misunderstanding of the policies or a minor mistake that can be easily corrected in the future. Understanding the policies in depth can prevent future issues and help you craft more compliant and effective ads. Remember, the appeal process is there for a reason. Mistakes can happen, both on the advertiser's end and Facebook's end. This process gives you a chance to rectify those mistakes, make your case, and hopefully have your ad account restrictions lifted. That's it for today's guide on how to appeal a Facebook ad restriction. I hope this video makes the process clearer and helps you get back to running your campaigns as soon as possible. Stay patient, stay positive, and don't hesitate to reach out to Facebook support for further clarification if needed. Happy advertising!